If you've spent any time researching VPNs to protect your privacy online, you've likely heard of NordVPN. It's one of the world's leading VPN providers. In this video, we'll provide an in-depth review of NordVPN. We'll look at areas like security, performance, device compatibility, and other factors like that to help you make a decision on if it's right for you. Whether you're using a VPN to surf securely on a public Wi-Fi network or to stream your shows, you don't want sluggish connections. With NordVPN turned on, we managed a respectable 48.5 megabits per second download speed and 17.7 megabits per second upload speed. That's fast enough to stream 4K content without any issues. With NordVPN turned off, we hit 64.4 megabits per second download speeds and 25 megabits per second upload speeds. Connecting to NordVPN reduced our download speeds by about 25% and our upload speeds by about 29%. But that being said, we barely noticed a difference with our connection. While NordVPN isn't the fastest VPN on the market, the connections were reliably fast and we didn't experience any interruptions. If you stream a lot of content online, you'll be glad to know that NordVPN works with popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, BBC, and even Disney+. With NordVPN, you'll be able to bypass geo-blocking. This means you can still watch your favorite shows if you're traveling abroad and access content that may be restricted due to your location. NordVPN also supports peer-to-peer traffic, so you can torrent files safely. Not all servers support P2P, but NordVPN offers a handy server recommendation tool that shows you which servers are supported. NordVPN performs as well as you'd expect when it comes to security. It encrypts your VPN connection with Advanced Encryption Standard 256-bit encryption. This standard is used by governments and cybersecurity experts worldwide. By default, NordVPN uses the Nordlinx security protocol for its apps, which is built around the fast and efficient wireguard protocol. NordVPN maintains a strict no-log policy. This means they don't collect or record any data that could be tied back to you, such as your IP address and bandwidth usage. NordVPN offers a decent list of native apps. You can install NordVPN on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux. You can also install NordVPN on Chromebooks, streaming devices like Chromecast, and even gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. With a single connection, you can connect up to 6 devices at once. To connect more, you can install NordVPN on a compatible router, which allows you to secure every device on that network. NordVPN has an extensive knowledge base that's filled with helpful tutorials and how-to guides. If you still need help, you could reach their customer support team 24/7 through live chat and by email. Unfortunately, they don't have a phone number that you can call. NordVPN offers 3 plans. It's either $11.95 per month for 1 month, $4.92 per month for 1 year, or $3.71 per month for 2 years. NordVPN doesn't offer a free trial, but they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, which you can get through the link in the description. And that's it for this review. We hope you have a better idea now of whether or not NordVPN is right for you. In our opinion, it's easily one of the best VPNs on the market. It offers strong security and privacy features, an extensive network of fast servers, a strict no-logs policy, and 24/7 customer support. Just click the link in the description of this video to get started with NordVPN and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.